Welcome to Prabhu KB's YouTube channel. I am the CEO Managing Partner of Fibocan. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products and solutions Victory, innovative investment strategies, SOFA, Sonifa and Bowmits. They are very powerful strategies and tax efficient as well, which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end. Encourage your friends and known person to subscribe and also click the bell icon. Today is April 2, 2022 Saturday. In this video, we will be seeing the market performance for the week ending April 1. That is Friday ended yesterday. So last week, it was a very good week for the Indian markets, overall global markets as well. Nifty moved up by 5%, BankNifty moved up by 5% and closed at 37,149, while Nifty moved closed at 17,670 and moved up by 3%. Particularly, there is a significant up move that happened on Friday, which is why BankNifty was able to take out the 150-day moving average. If one recollects, around 7 to 8 days back, when it formed a piercing pattern, I had indicated that there is a trend has reversed, and if one would have followed my advice keenly, they would have made good amount of money. Now let us look at how the market performed, individual sectors performed for this week. Banks. Kotak Mahindra and SBI jumped up by 3%. HDFC, ICICI, IndusInd Bank and Federal moved up by 5%. Axis, AU Bank and Bandhan Bank jumped by 7%. On the financials, for a change, Chola was down 3% in this week, while LIC Housing Finance 2%, M&M and Muthoot by 4%, Bajaj Finserv moved up by 5%, HDFC, Bajaj Finance and Manappuram by 6%, Shriram Transport jumped up by 7%. Life and cards, SBI cards jumped up by 1%, SBI Life by 2%, ICICI Pru 4%, HDFC Life 6% and ICICI General 7%. Oil and Telecom, Reliance moved up by 2%, while Bharti Airtel jumped up by 7%. On the IT sector, this was one sector which I would say it moved sideways in this week. Techem fell by 3%, HCL and Mindtree fell by 1%, TCS, Wipro and Infi moved up by 1%, Emphasis jumped up by 2%, LTTS 4%, Intellect moved up by 6%. This is one of the strongest stocks among all the listed stocks. Consumer, on the consumer goods front, Pidilite and Trent moved up by 1%, ABFRL, Asian Paints, Coalpal, DMart, Nestle moved up by 2%, Bata and Berger by 3%, Britannia 4% up move, PVR moved up by 5%, Hindustan Lever by 6% and Page Industries moved up by 7%. On the automobile front, Hero and Escorts fell by 6%. Hero, as we know, particularly about the tax issues and other things, it fell. The trend, the undertone is weak. More than the trend, the undertone in the stock is weak. Bajaj, Bharat Forge and Tata Motors moved up by 2%. Motherson Sumi jumped up by 3%. Maruti and TVS by 4%. Ashok Leyland by 5%. Eicher Motors moved up by 6% and M&M moved up by 8%. On the metals, Hindalco fell 8%, Tata Steel and Vedanta fell 2%, SAIL fell by 1%, while JSW jumped up by 2% and NMDC by 6%. The hospitals and healthcare and pharma. Apollo Hospitals fell by 4%, Divi's, Dr. Reddy Lab fell by 2%, Lalpath fell by 1%, Sun Pharma and Thyro jumped up by 1%, Metropolis had a 5% up move. In the others, UPL fell by 2%, IEX jumped up by 1%, Havels and L&T by 2%, Indigo moved up by 3%, Godrej Properties, Delta Corp, IRCTC, Jubilant Food all jumped by 4%, while Zomato moved up by 5%, Adani Ports, DLF, Ultratech 6% and Adani Enterprise had a big jump of 9%. Finally, what do we say? With all these things, we expect Nifty and BankNifty was able to decisively take the 200-day moving average. Hence, it will now try to cross 150-day moving average in the coming week itself. Hence, previous week's close should act as a very strong support and people should have that as a stop loss and can trade accordingly. Thank you very much for watching the video. Disclaimer, as always, the objective of this video is only for training and educational purpose. Please discuss with your investment advisor before making any investment decision. Thank you very much.